This is the Elephone Explorer Elite 4K action camera. I got this off GearBest for $60 US, which is equivalent to 4,000 Indian rupees. It took almost a month to ship to India from China. Unlike a lot of other cheap ones in the market, this one shoots true 4K at 24 frames per second. It can also shoot full HD videos at 60 frames per second. Let's take a look at the box. The camera comes with an Amlogic CPU, a 12 megapixel Sony IMX078 sensor, and has a 170-degree wide field of view. It is a Wi-Fi enabled camera, meaning that you can control most camera functions through your smartphone. More on that in a bit. The camera is also waterproof to a depth of 30 meters. The one we have here is the black variant. To open the box, we just pull on the provided tab and slide it out. The camera is the first thing that greets us. Let us keep it aside for a more detailed look later. A plethora of accessories is provided in the other box. Let's take a closer look at them. The camera comes pre-installed into a waterproof casing, which makes it waterproof up to 30 meters. Please note, the camera by itself is not waterproof. Let us remove the casing and look at the camera in more detail. Up front is the power cum mode button. Pressing this for 3 seconds switches the camera on or off. Smaller presses cycles between the various modes. Next to this button is the 170-degree wide-angle lens. To one side, there is the up and down navigation buttons. The up button here also acts as a shortcut to switch on the Wi-Fi. The 2-inch TFT LCD screen is at the back. It has a resolution of 960 by 240 pixels and is not a touchscreen. To the other side, we have a mini HDMI port, a micro USB port for data transfer as well as charging, and a micro SD card slot. At the bottom, there is the battery bay. The battery is removable. However, I haven't had any success in opening the battery compartment. In fact, I've given up on trying, at least till the time the battery all but dies. At the top resides the OK button. This one is used to start or stop recording, click photos, or make selections in the settings menu. The camera body is rubberized and feels very grippy. Let us plug in the micro SD card. Note that this camera can take up to a 32GB card. Upon switching on, the camera is in video mode. The next mode is photo. It is followed by the gallery to view all the videos and images shot on the camera. Up next is the settings. There are a number of options that you can play with here. To test the footage that this camera shoots, I placed it into one of the provided attachments which had the 1/4" tripod thread and then attached it to my GorillaPod. A major selling point of this camera is its Wi-Fi functionality. In order to make the most of it, we need to download the Explorer Elite version 2 app either from the Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app. On your camera, make sure that you are on the video mode and hit the navigation up button to enable Wi-Fi. It will provide you with the SSID and password on the screen. Head over to the Wi-Fi settings on the app, select the Wi-Fi with the same connection as the SSID displayed. Give the app a moment to connect and you're good to go. You can now see exactly what your camera sees right on your phone. Toggle between video and photo mode. Change the settings of your shot or view whatever you have shot so far. You can also transfer the photos and videos over to your phone. The camera comes with a 1050 mAh battery. Assuming you are shooting at 1080p 60 frames per second, expect the battery to run continuously for about an hour. If you're shooting multiple smaller footage, you may be able to extend the battery life a bit more. To charge it back up, I had to keep it plugged in for about an hour and 50 minutes. I took it out with me for my weekly game of cricket. I captured a mixture of videos and time lapses. Though the camera is also capable of capturing 720p slow motion at 120 fps, I didn't find it compelling enough to give it a shot. Here's a sample of what I captured throughout my day. And by the way, we lost the match by 1 run. Barring the mushy mode button and the almost non-existent electronic image stabilization, this one is miles ahead of those cheap GoPro alternatives. This is indeed a compelling package to consider if you find GoPros expensive. While it might not be as good as a GoPro, it is not far behind. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. So be the guy who encourages by hitting the thumbs up button. And if someone you know is looking for a budget action camera, send them this way. Goes without saying that you need to stay subscribed for more of such awesome content. This is Souvik signing off. Till the next time, be good and be curious. Bye bye.